Okay, map time. So this is the section that they've completed at the time of this filming. That's as far as they've gotten. And there's 3 sections. And you can see that part of the Red Road or the Highway 130 has been spared. So they're starting here and going to here. And then that's Pohiki, and this is McKenzie. So at the time of this filming, this is the first section that they've completed. And they've got 2 more to go. Wow. Awesome, huh? I want to thank Jeremiah for the drone footage. Go check his channel out, Strange Hawaii. I'll provide a link in the description box down below. It was an awesome day today. We went down there and filmed and met some people down at McKenzie. Very fun time. Got some awesome footage. They started with the steamroller, and it looks like they can drive trucks, you know, like an F-150 or an F-250, you know, around. I saw Saw a Ford out there driving. And yeah, I think they're probably going to take another month or so to get it completed. That's my guesstimation. I'm not quite sure. And it will be for official use only until they can open it up to the public. So they're going to be working on the bathrooms at Pohiki and working on the boat ramp, making sure it's safe for residents to enjoy that beach park. So yes, for the first couple weeks I imagine it's going to be official use only, and residents that have houses that have been inundated or trapped by the two lava flows will be able to go back home. And the civil defense will kind of control it. So my opinion is, okay, you know, a couple weeks go by and then let everybody back in, you know, because we want to enjoy it. Of course, make sure it's safe, like Pohiki, the bathrooms and you know, the gazebos and no, pavilions, sorry. There's one pavilion left, and I think there's only one pavilion left. There was like 3 or 4, and then there was a playground, so that got covered in lava, and a lot of the fishing in Pohiki, because there was a fish pond right next to Pohiki, and it got covered in lava, unfortunately. And that was like an ancient fish pond that the Hawaiians would use, and you would see like rock walls, you know, built in the water, so the fish would come in at high tide, and then at low tide they'd get trapped in there, and then you could easily just net them or spear them. You know, it's just in a small pond, basically a tide pool, so to speak. But you create the rock wall to trap the fish. So unfortunately, that area has been covered in lava. But Pohiki is still awesome. It's still, you know, rocking, and thank goodness the lava did not take it. Wow, amazing adventure. It's just amazing, this whole episode, this whole eruption. So dredging, and I've said this before in my other video, and I will provide a link in the description box to a couple of my videos related to this. So Pohiki and dredging. Now, I think they should dredge it and then put the sand along the beach to allow for surfers, beachgoers, and fishermen to use Pohiki as much as possible. That's my opinion. Now the road, like I was saying, I think everyone should be able to use it as soon as possible, as soon as it's safe and everything. And I don't think they're going to do asphalt. I think it's just going to be, you know, gravel. I'm not quite sure. Maybe they'll do asphalt. Wow, amazing. And I want to thank the construction crew. I was out there filming and giving them some shakas, and they were, you know, shocking back, you know. They weren't, you know, mad at me for filming or whatnot. So that was awesome. And, you know, I stayed far away, you know, and smart. You got to be smart. You can't be, you know, retarded, right? And now that we can walk on the lava, and I believe it's, you know, 50 yards from moving lava. That's what the rules are, and you can get fined if there's moving hot lava. But the fresh lava that's, you know, solid and not moving, I guess you can walk on. Not 100% sure, but I think that's their new rules. It's kind of weird how they say a rule, we're going to give you a $5,000 fine if you're within 50 yards of fresh lava. What is fresh lava? And then later they have to define that, because people are like, well, that's kind of whack. I don't know what that means, you know. So they have to define it. So the next week they have to change it, or the next couple of weeks, you know. So that's why I'm very hesitant to say something, oh, like, they're only going to do this and this and this. That's what they said. Because the next week or two, it could be different or modified or changed, or it could make more sense, if that makes any sense. Okay, I want to wrap this video up right here. Thank you so much for watching. This is an amazing adventure, like I was saying, and I want to thank everyone that has supported my channel and is watching my videos and watching Jeremiah's videos and commenting and subscribing. I love all your comments. Hit that bell symbol to get notifications for further videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video, comment. I love all your comments. I'll try to answer as many questions as I can. Much mahalo, everyone. Wow, this has been awesome. The support from the community. We're working together. I think Puna hopefully will be stronger. I'm trying to be positive about this, right? It's about all you can do. Gotta be positive. And just enjoy your life. I've got so much to be grateful for. Much, much mahalo. And until next time, hui hau! Yeah!